3 East African countries competing on skills.
This competition has been very vital to us. We are getting exposed to different systems, learning how to handle tasks in the shortest time possible.
You are able to apply the skills needed when you are doing the diagnostics, the tool to be used, and the correct method to be applied on every task.
As a team leader, I have to make sure we work as a team. Everyone has to contribute to that team.
This really gives us more exposure.
We really appreciate the team is working for us, working for our customers, and really putting all the efforts to definitely deliver absolutely the utmost of the quality and the service to the customers, and that is you guys. And the winner of top team Scania East Africa 2025 is Team Kilimanjaro!